Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government killing children. Ethiopian government killing women. Ethiopian government killing civilians. UK government stop supporting the killer government in Ethiopia. We demand justice. We demand freedom. We demand justice. We demand freedom. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a murderer. UK government stop supporting the killer government in Ethiopia. We say no tax money. No UK tax money. For raising Ethiopia. No UK tax money. Or killer government Ethiopia. UK government stop supporting the killer government in Ethiopia. Abiy Ahmed is a murderer. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed killing children. Abiy Ahmed killing women. Ethiopian government is a killer. He's a murderer. He's a killer. We demand justice. We demand freedom. Oromo people dying in Ethiopia. We demand UK government stop supporting the killer regime in Ethiopia. UK government stop supporting the killer regime in Ethiopia. No freedom, no justice, no freedom. There is no justice in Oromia. No justice in Oromia. No freedom in Ethiopia. No justice in Oromia. No freedom in Ethiopia. UK government stop supporting Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government is a killer. He's a murderer. We demand justice for Oromo. Justice for Oromo. Justice for Oromo political prisoners. Free. All political prisoners in Ethiopia. Free. All political prisoners in Ethiopia. We demand justice. We demand freedom. We demand human rights. There is no human rights in Ethiopia. That's what human rights. Oromia. Children are dying. Women are dying. Innocent people are dying. UK government. Stop supporting. UK government. Stop supporting. In Oromia. Ethiopia. UK government. Stop supporting. Asin sena asin. Wota karaa cufuu qabdani. Hiriirii bar maal jechuudha karaa cufuudhaan. Ethiopia. Political prisoners. Ethiopia.
No justice.
No justice.
No freedom.
No freedom.
No freedom.
No freedom.
No justice.
No justice.
There is no justice.
No justice.
In Oromia.
Oromia.
Children are dying.
Children are dying.
Ethiopian government.
Ethiopia government
Killing children.
killing children.
Ethiopian
Ethiopian
government.
government
Killing women.
is woman.
Ethiopian government.
Ethiopia government
Killing children. We demand justice.
justice.
We demand freedom.
Bahare lage, bahare lage, bahare
We
lage.
demand human rights.
Bahare sen.
There is no freedom.
That's so sweet.
There is no
Amo sen ni kha.
freedom in Ethiopia.
Ethiopia.
There is no freedom.
There is no freedom.
In Ethiopia.
Ethiopia.
UK government.
UK government.
UK government. Stop supporting.
Stop supporting Ethiopian government.
Anak tu jadi.
We demand freedom. We demand justice. We demand human rights. Human rights. Ethiopian government. Dictator. Ethiopian government. Killer. Abiy Ahmed. Is a dictator. Is a dictator. Is a killer. Ethiopian government. Is a dictator. UK government. Stop supporting dictator government. UK government. Stop supporting killer government. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a dictator. We demand justice. We demand freedom. We demand human rights. Killing terrorists. Killing Ethiopian prisoners. Killing Oromo children. Killing Oromo mothers. Killing parents. Never stop. Oromia struggle. Never stop. Hero struggle. Justice. For Hachalu. Justice. For Hachalu. We need justice. We need freedom. Ethiopian government is a killer.
Ahlan wa sahlan.
Atrocities. Ethiopian government. Stop killing children. Stop killing children. Eritrean army. Out of Oromia. Eritrean army. Out of Oromia. Amara army. Amara militias. Out of Oromia. UK government.
Sami.
Stop supporting
Figo tirtani.
Ethiopian government. UK government. Help to help victims. UK. We need serious action. No justice in Ethiopia. No democracy in Ethiopia. Justice for political prisoners. Oromia shall be free. We need justice. We need freedom. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government. Is a killer. Abiy Ahmed. Is a killer. Eritrean army. Amara militias. Out of Oromia. Ethiopian government. Stop Stop killing Oromo children. Ethiopian government. Stop killing Oromo parents. Ethiopian government must stop killing Oromo mother. Killing Oromo mother. Ethiopian government. Stop outsourcing in Oromia. Ethiopian government. Stop killing children. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government. Stop. Ethiopian government. Stop.
Sagale, sagale.
Eritrean army. Eritrean army.
Eritrean army.
Eritrean army.
Eritrean army.
Out of Oromia.
Out of Oromia.
Amara Fano.
Amara Fano.
Out of Oromia.
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 Fano out of Oromia. Fano out of Oromia. Eritrean army out of Oromia.
Eritrean army out of Oromia.
UK government.
UK government.
Stop support.
Stop support.
Ethiopian government.
Ethiopian government.
Ethiopian government.
Ethiopian government.
He's a killer.
He's a killer.
He's a killer.
He's a killer.
Ethiopian government. He's a killer.
He's a killer.
Ethiopian government.
Ethiopian government.
He's a killer.
He's a killer.
UK government.
UK government.
UK government. Stop support. Stop support. Killer government in Ethiopia. Stop support. Stop support. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government is a killing children. Ethiopian government is a killing Oromo mother. Stop killing Oromo mother. Stop killing Oromo children.
Stop killing Oromo children.
Stop killing Oromo children.
Stop killing Oromo children.
Eritrean troops. Eritrean army. Eritrean army. Out of Oromia. Out of Oromia.
Out of Oromia.
Now.
Now.
Now. Fano. Out of Oromia. Now. No justice in Oromia.
No justice in Oromia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No justice in Oromia.
No justice in Oromia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
No peace in Ethiopia.
UK government.
UK government.
Stop supporting. Ethiopian government.
Ama صديق يا شغله أولهم قرقارينا أولهم الفتح أما صديق
Oromo mother. Stop supporting. The killer. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a killer. Eritrean troops. Out of Oromia. Eritrean soldier. Out of Oromia. Fano out of Oromia. Amara Fano is a killer. Hey, Abo, hello. Please.
भिडियो कासु बोले अच्छे कैसे आसे आज तो अभी वाला बोले साहब ये बस ले साहब बता दी ओके हां अच्छे से ना मामा से ना वीडियो कैसे से ना
ओके ओके ना
ओके लागन लो नहीं लगी मैं और का Gubernur das DTV Sukabna video ka malim nami hundum berbajda maka wan video ka nami to foto video ka video nami lagi andal gawan beti
Ya bahaya chungka bu ya.
Mama bahaya ti wan bek ada ni wan tai nami to ko akas nami hundum malik ka nami to ko inda ya ka jadi pada security asli jiru tidak ada इसलिए आवर आवर पुलिस ना पता कैसे न पता लोग आदमी का बार इन्हें आका नमी तो बट आका दे बा नमी से पुलिस ऐसे ना डाल नमी से रखा बच्चे करना मगर इनने चाहे पगले मरी का काम होता है Oromian Villa Oromian Villa Oromian Villa Oromian Villa Oromian Villa Oromian Villa Oroma Jesun Oroma Jesun Oroma Jesun Oroma Jesun Oromia Bitnesun Oromia Bitnesun Oromia Bitnesun Oromia Bitnesun Nurra Harabatu Nurra Harabatu Nurra Harabatu Nurra Harabatu Tiyara Donina Bitnesun Tiyara Donina Bitnesun Oromia Balesun Oromia Balesun Nurra Harabatu Nurra Harabatu
Nurra Hadabatu.
UK government.
UK government.
UK government.
UK government.
Please stop.
Please stop.
Helping. The killer government.
The killer government.
In Ethiopia.
In Ethiopia.
In Oromia.
In Oromia.
Stop supporting.
Stop supporting.
The killer.
The killer.
In Ethiopia.
In Ethiopia.
UK government.
UK government.
Please stop supporting.
Oh, dilamankan ya.
The killer government.
Itu terkenakan.
UK government. Please stop. The killer government. Eritrean army.
Eritrean army.
Out of Oromia.
Out of Oromia.
Eritrean army.
Eritrean army.
Out of Oromia.
Out of Oromia.
Eritrean army.
Eritrean army.
Please. Go home.
Go home.
Stop killing Oromo.
Stop killing Oromo.
Fano.
Fano.
Please.
Please.
Go home.
Go home.
Stop Oromo killing.
Stop Oromo killing.
Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy is a killer. It's not a doctor, a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a killer.
Abiy Ahmed is a killer.
Abiy Ahmed
Abo jala kabaga. Abiy Ahmed is a
stop killing
Stop killing.
pregnant mothers.
Pregnant mother.
Stop killing
Stop killing.
Oromo children.
Oromo children.
Oromo
Oromo
Kerres.
Cairo.
Oromo
Oromo
Kerres.
Carres.
Ethiopia.
Free Ethiopia.
UK government.
UK government.
Help war.
Help war.
Victims of Oromia. UK.
UK.
We
We
need
need
your serious action.
your Syrian action.
UK government.
UK government.
We need
We need
your serious action.
your Syrian action.
Oromia need freedom.
Freedom.
Oromia need freedom.
Oromia need freedom.
Oromia need justice.
Oromia need justice.
Oromia need justice.
Oromia need justice.
Oromia shall be free.
Oromia shall be free.
Oromia shall be free.
Oromia shall be free.
No justice in Ethiopia.
Oh, dah nak masuk kisah ni jangan. Masuk kisah.
No democracy in Ethiopia.
Beri aku cakap.
No justice in Oromia.
Anda.
No democracy in Ethiopia. Justice for Oromo people. Justice for all Oromo prisoners. Justice for Hachalu Hundessa.
Justice for Hachalu Hundessa.
Justice for Hachalu Hundessa.
Justice for Hachalu Hundessa.
Oromo Gubun. Oromo Jesun.
Oromo Jesun.
Mana Oromo Gubun.
Oromo Gubun.
Oromo Dorsisun. Oromo Bitnesun.
Oromo Bitnesun.
Nurra Hadabatu.
Nurra Hadabatu.
UK government.
UK government.
Budagay.
Budagay.
Stop killing.
stop killing.
Oromo people. Oromia shall be free. Oromo need freedom. Oromia need freedom. No peace in Ethiopia. No democracy in Ethiopia. UK government. We need your serious action. Now we need your serious action.
Okay. Thank you.
UK government. Stop supporting the killer regime in Ethiopia. We demand justice. We demand justice. Justice for Hachalu Hundessa. Justice for Hachalu Hundessa. Justice for all Oromo political prisoners. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a murderer. Ethiopian army is a killer. Ethiopian army is killing children. Is killing mothers. UK government stop supporting the dictator regime in Ethiopia. UK government stop supporting regime in Ethiopia. We demand freedom. We demand peace. Oromo people demand peace. Oromo people we demand justice. Oromo people need peace. We need peace. Abiy Ahmed is killing Oromos. Abiy Ahmed is a murderer. He's a killer. No peace in Oromia. No justice in Oromia. No peace in Ethiopia. No justice in Oromia. No peace in Ethiopia. Justice for Hachalu Hundessa. Justice for Hachalu Hundessa. UK government stop supporting the killer government in Ethiopia. Eritrean army is a killer. Eritrean army out of Oromia. Eritrean army out of Oromia. Amara Fando out of Oromia. Amara militia out of Oromia. Oromia shall be free. Oromia shall be free. We demand justice. Justice for Oromia. Justice for Oromo people. We are Oromos. We demand justice. UK government stop supporting dictator government in Ethiopia. Ethiopian government is a dictator. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a murderer. UK government no UK taxpayers money for killer government in Ethiopia. UK government stop supporting Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed killing children. Abiy Ahmed killing women. Abiy Ahmed is a murderer. UK government, stop supporting the killer regime in Oromia. Oromo sagale utta sound kesaninu. Stop killing Oromia. Stop killing in Oromia. Stop killing in Oromia. Stop killing in Oromia. Yes, go outside in Oromia. Yes, go out of Oromia. Yes, out of Oromia. Amara Fando go out Oromia. Amara Fando go out of Oromia. Ummata Oromo irratti ummata Oromo irraa manni gubachuu hin qabu. UK government Ethiopian government is a dictator. Ethiopian government is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a dictator. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. We demand justice. We demand freedom. We demand human rights. Stop killing Oromo's Karre. Stop killing Oromo children. Stop killing Oromo Keros. Stop killing Oromo Karres. Ethiopian government is a dictator. Ethiopian government is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a dictator. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. He's a killer. Killing Oromo children. Killing Oromo Karres. Never stop. Oromo struggle. Killing Oromo children. Killing Oromo mothers. Killing Oromo Karres. Never stop. Oromia struggle. UK government must stop supporting dictator government. UK government must act now. United Nations must act now. UK government stop supporting the dictator government. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a dictator. Stop killing Oromo people. Stop killing Oromo mothers. Stop killing innocent Oromian people. We demand justice. We demand freedom. We demand human rights. Justice for Hachalu. Justice for innocent Ethiopian people. Namni is baay'ee jira. Namni baay'ee dabalaa jira. Ila ta'anii afurii qabna. Biree kanatti haa fayyadamnu. Paarlaamaa muummicha ministeeraa Bola Ajeero jirta garuu uummanni keenya dhumaa jira. Inuma dandeenya yeroo qabnaa baay'ee. Sagaasee jira. Michiree fuufellee miidiyaadha. Akka irratti nu gargaaru. Waraaba karaan siminjaa warri bishaan gama dubarraa bishaan fudhadhaa sagalee keenya itti haa fufnu yeroo takka iyyuu qabnallee bakka kanatti biyyeessaan ijoollee dhaadannoo dadhabde nuun jennee namni gadi reeba rakkoo keenya hawwatu dubbisuu qaba maaliif baane maaliif jira kana qaxxaamuree kanaaf ummanni hanga gadi bahu buna ummanni daawwataa jira rakkoo keenya hubachaa jira kanaaf jabaadha sagaleen ummanni kam kana hon harkanne nuti chaansii harkanne magaalaa addunyaa irraa guddoo Landan keessa dhaabbannee uummata keenyaaf soballe ta'uun gaariidha sagalee kanatti haafaa hidhamnu gaan qabnu gaafii nama boodaa akka kannuuf boodaa yookaan kana malee yeroo biraa malee waliin agarru kanaaf jabaadha harka ol fuudhaa yoo ibidee fi iyyina dubbii fuudhaa bishaan isaan kanneen
bishaan achitti barraa fudhadhu fidanii bar beesa achitti bar Nuradi zibo
ati haasaa tani boodaan dhufa
dubartoota keenyaaf hiree akka dhiinu
Give it to a woman.
ati umarko manni si jala dafe kesi yeroo takka ayidu Doon ka naman no. Opsa, jabaadha. Galamni keessan bilisummaa haa ta'u. Galamni keessan bilisummaa haa ta'u. Haawwan keenyas, qarreenis, eeroonis itti hirmaata. Waltajjiin keessanii, sagaleen keessanii as dhiyaata. Obboleeyyan keessan kan dhumaa jirtaniif nama tokko irratti dhiisina. Kuni bilisa nama iyyuu wal qixa ta'e kana naannaa itti fufnaa. Free Abdi Rakasa. Free Abdi Rakasa. Free Mikhail Boran.
Oromia is a country. Oromia is a country. Stop burning Oromo houses. Stop burning Oromo crops. Stop burning Oromo crops. Stop burning Oromo houses. Stop destabilizing Oromos. Eritrean army out of Oromia. Eritrean army out of Oromia. Eritrean army go home. Eritrean army out of Oromia. Amara militia out of Oromia. Ethiopian regime killing Oromo children. Ethiopian regime murdering Oromo children. Stop murdering Oromo children. Stop murdering Oromo parents. Stop murdering Oromo infants. Stop murdering Oromo elites. Eritrean government out of Oromia. Eritrean government out of Oromia. Ethiopian government stop killing Oromo political prisoners. Stop murdering Oromo children. Stop murdering Oromo youth. Stop destroying our land. Eritrea hand of Oromia. Oromia is not for sale. Oromia is not for sale. Oromia is not for sale. Oromia is for Oromos. Oromia is for Oromos. Oromia is for Oromos. Oromia is for Oromos. Hands off Oromia. Hands off Oromia. Hands off Oromia. Hands off Oromia. Amara militia. Out of Oromia. Out of
Akanas
Oromia.
basi.
Amara militia. Amara militia. Out of Oromia.
Out of Oromia.
Out of Oromia.
Out of Oromia.
Amara militia.
Amara militia.
Hand of Oromia.
Hand of Oromia.
Hand of Oromia.
Hand of Oromia.
Amara militia.
Amara militia.
Stop burning.
Stop burning.
Stop burning.
Stop burning.
Oromo houses. Amara militia. Stop burning.
Stop burning.
Oromo crops. Amara militia. Out of Oromia. Oromia is for Oromos. Oromia is for Oromos. Oromia is not for sale. Oromia is not for sale. Oromia is not for sale. Out of Oromia.
Out of Oromia.
Amara militia.
Amara militia.
Hand of Oromia.
Hand of
Amara
Oromia.
militia. Hand of Oromia. Amara militia, go home. Amara militia, go out of Oromia. Amara militia, out of Oromia. Eritrean army out of Oromia. Eritrean army out of Oromia.
Eritrean army out of Oromia.
Eritrean army out of Oromia. What do we want? 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 We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice for Oromo prisoners. We want justice for Oromo children. We want justice for Emmanuel. We want justice for Oromo children. What do we want? What do we want?
Justice.
When do we want it?
Women.
When do you want it? When do we want it?
Now.
When do we want it?
Now.
When do we want it?
Now.
When do we want it? What do we want? What do we want? What do we want?
Justice.
Justice for Oromo political prisoners. Justice for Oromo mother. Justice for Oromo mother.
Justice for Oromia.
Justice for Oromo mother. Justice for Oromia.
Justice for Oromia.
Oromia is not for sale. Oromia is not for sale.
Oromia is not for sale.
Oromia is not for sale. Hands off Oromia. Hands off Oromia. Hands off Oromia. Hands off Oromia. Hands off Oromia.
Hands of Oromia.
Don't kill our children.
Don't kill our children.
Don't kill our children.
Don't kill our children.
Don't kill our elites. Don't kill our elites. Don't kill our elders. Don't kill our elders. Don't kill our mothers. Don't kill our mothers. Don't kill our children. Don't kill our children. Stop. Stop. Murdering. Oromo youth. Oromo youth. Don't kill Oromo youth. We demand.
We demand.
Stop.
Stop.
Killing.
Oromo.
Youth.
Youth.
We support Oromo Liberation Army. We support Oromo Liberation Army. All lies for justice. All lies for peace.
All lines for peace.
All lines for peace.
All lines for peace.
Oromo Liberation Army is our defender.
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 Oromo Liberation Army is our guider.
Oromo Liberation Army is our guider.
Oromo Liberation Army is our anchor. Oromo Liberation Army is our anchor. Oromo Liberation Army is our anchor. We support. We support. We support.
We support.
Allah. We support.
We support.
Oromo. Liberation.
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 Army.
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 No negotiation with Allah.
No negotiation with
We
Allah.
don't negotiate on Allah. We don't negotiate on Allah. Allah is our defender. Oromia is a country. Allah will establish that. Oromia is a country. Stop burning our crops.
Our crops.
Stop burning our houses. What do we want?
Justice.
What do we want?
Justice.
What do we want?
Justice.
Abiy Ahmed is a killer.
Abiy Ahmed is a killer.
Ethiopian Prime Minister is a killer.
Ethiopian Prime Minister is a killer.
Ethiopian Prime Minister is a dictator.
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 Ethiopian Prime Minister is a killer.
Ethiopian Prime Minister is a killer.
Ethiopian Prime Minister.
Naga, meron takka dakika kudhan isinis bishaan dhugaa namni dadhabaa isaa sadii qabna sagantaa adda addaan dabarsina sammuu adda nuti deebina bishaan isinii dhufee jira dura addaan faca'ina isaa sadii qabna sagantaa kanarrattis wanta tokko Dr. Bizaa'u nuuf dabarsa.
Ergaan hin darba. Hamma deemaa waliin jennutti hin deemu walumaan deemna please. Ergaa asitti dabarfannullee isinii dubbisna. Dhagaa asitti galullee isinii dubbisna. Akka durii qalleellee dhogginee ragannee isinii dubbisna. Ergaan darbu dura egeree maal goona kan jedhullee waliin mari'anna. Please hin deeminaa.
Anis qaama kiyyaan dhaamsaan isinii dhaamu tokko yoo jiraate yaa Rabbi ana akka biyyaatti waa'ee barbaachisaadha. Kuni hiriira xumuraa Rabbi nu haa godhu. Hiriira xumuraa nu haa godhu. Sagantaa Ormeessaa sagantaa gammachuu kan Oromiyaa bilisoomte Rabbi nu haa godhu. Sagantaa Oromiyaa bilisoomte walitti dhufte Rabbi nu haa godhu. Ta'arraa tamaayii Rabbi nu haa godhu. Itti har'a kanaan boorsaa kondiishoon akkuma eegalteetti eebaan cufnee adda baanaa ganaan ga'an ganaadha. Ga'a kanaa uummanni yamee walitti dhufee hayyama kana harkatee ga'a sadeen kana itti fayyadamnaa isinii fi xiqqoo sirrii naadaan kuni dhiisuudhaan jedhee dhimma namaati. Xiqqoo bishaanis dhugaa asiiraas xiqqoo gaata beekaa 15 booda yookaan beekaa 10 booda dhaabannoo haaraan itti hidhina. Amma namni dabarsuu barbaada. Namni yaada dabarsuu barbaada koota akka manguddootii miti qarree fi qeeroo yoo jiraate dubbachuu ni dandeenya.